Today we're diving into one of the most vital resources in the world of Witchmore, Sorite. This rare red stone is often discovered in the ruins of the ancient world, usually found in places where powerful magic users were once imprisoned, deep within dungeons or fortified castles of old. Sorite is not just any stone, it's a smooth, metallic rock that can be shaped into nearly any form if exposed to constant heat. Its most remarkable property is the ability to completely nullify magic. Whether it's a spell being cast or the magic within a sorcerer themselves, Sorite can cancel it out. This makes it an invaluable tool in a world where magic often poses a threat. In modern times, Sorite is almost exclusively used by the Knights of Cretogor. They've mastered the art of forging it into their weapons, turning it into a powerful tool in their fight against witches and rogue magic users. For the Cretogorians, it's more than just a weapon. It's a symbol of their mission to bring an order to a world where magic runs wild.